gotta stop fighting. It's like you've been doing this for years. Listen, first of all, thank you for the ring. Helpful to have it back after you stole it. Never mind. Remember when I said to the both of you that letting you stay here wasn't up to me? Well, if you look right there, I'm in charge now. All right, and this wedding, it's a huge responsibility. It's the shot that I've been waiting for, and I can't screw it up. So you two, you gotta go. Stop looking at me like that. Oh, okay. Maybe you can stay here. But not like this. That little mess you caused downstairs, it's a disaster. You know what? You want to stay, right? Fine. One condition. You two have to prove to me that you can coexist together. And stay as far away from here as possible. Got it? So tomorrow, I'm gonna plan an entire day for you two to spend together. Out there in the Big Apple. And if you do this, you guys can stay. Do we have a deal? Your car will be here at 9 a.m. Don't be late.